everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this tutorial, I will show you how to complete the quest about participate in week 3's Festival Collectors Challenge in Heartopia. So, in this dreamlike cinematic event for week 3 for this spring season in Heartopia, Heartopia has a new quest that make you must to participate in collector challenge, this one. And so to complete this quest, this collector challenge quest, it's so easy. Just open the box in front of your home, this one that located in front of your home like this, and then just open it. And then in here you will see several items that you must submit to this collector challenge box. Like in here you need to submit 10 food festival, and then Octo entertainment, script supervisor B, and many more in here. So just submit all items. For example, in here I want to submit the festival food, for example this one, and then just tap on submit like this. You can complete everything at once, or you can also complete what you already have first, and then make sure you can complete the all items for 1 week. And okay, that's it. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching, and see you.